The members of the parliament have warned Finance Ministry Permanent Secretary George Guvamatanga after he failed to appear before the Public Accounts Committee on Monday. His second no-show. Sana pena mashoko kudanyo kwa pana panguwa ino tiunoti aiwa vakomana vana Guvamatanga panguwa ino vachiskipa parliamentary meetings vanhu pavakamirira kuti vambotsanangura kuti mari dziri kumbofamba sei. Inoda kuti kune mari panzvimbo dziri kumbozidzisa dziri kufamba sei, mamillions nemabillions. Kuti wasubscribe like on the bell icon. Timuna maumobai kwa mchinzi. Committee chair Kauton Wende CCc said Guvamatanga must now attend a rescheduled session on Friday, warning that if he fails again, he will be served with summons, said Wende. Wende said Finance Minister Mtuli would also be invited to appear on Friday to address policy-related issues in public accounts. Monday's aborted session was expected to review the Auditor General's report for the 2023 financial year, when they said MPs planned to examine $400 million in direct payments made by the Treasury to suppliers bypassing line ministries. Among the companies paid was Rainform CC, a South African firm controversially awarded contracts to supply election materials without a public tender. South African records show Zimbabwe's Treasury paid the company over 1.2 billion rands, with 800 million rands allegedly transferred to accounts linked to politically connected businessmen. The committee has requested Guvamatanga to provide full details of direct payments to several companies, including Fertilizer Seed Grain, FSC, Zemenya Dam Construction, Ventures Boho and Exploration, Makomo Engineering, Semwa Dam, and a $600,000 payment to law firm Nikaka Nengoni and Partners, which represents the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission. Thomas Waruda Pankwa ine tiona vakomana vachiti aiwa, these guys they must appear on Friday. Inoda kutopa wakati scheduler vakasango appear, these guys vanosoma summons. Pena comment section medu mzamafungo enyi watu kudipa mzuro pichitu kwa each. And our question is, do you think even if Guvamatanga vakasa attenda panguva ino, do you think those summons angava active, angava kosha zvekutodare just because they are known when these guys they are politically connected and they are the ones who determine the lives yavagara munyika yeZimbabwe? Amen. What could you observe the situation? Comment section medu mzamafungo enyi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.